What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to get a bow and arrow in Atlas. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. Upon leveling up your character, you will need to purchase Tools of the Trade and Archery from the Survivalist tree. You can find all of this in the skills section when opening up your inventory. After unlocking these abilities, a new tree will unlock called Archery and Throwing Weapons. On this skill tree, you will have to unlock basics of the bow. When this is done, you will see that you can craft a bow for 50 fibers, 6 hide and 22 wood, and stone arrows for 3 fibers, 1 flint and 1 thatch. After crafting the items, equip the bow in your hotbar. Draw your bow with left click and use right click to make it sway less when aiming. You can, in most cases, pick up your arrows after being shot. If you wish to learn more about Atlas, then make sure to check out my tutorial playlist linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.